however you feel, and also to give us your social media handles and things of that nature where we can find out where we can follow you and how to stay in touch with you. So I want you to have that last word. I'll give you a couple of seconds to think about that. To my listeners, thank you guys once again for tuning in to the Deal to Heal with E. James podcast. Make sure you guys are checking me out at my website, the deal, not the, but dealhealfulfill.org. Again, it's dealhealfulfill.org is the website, because our mission, my mission, is to help people to deal, heal, and fulfill, to deal with your problems, to heal from the pain, and to fulfill your purpose. So make sure you go there to the website, dealhealfulfill.org, to find out more information about everything that I have going on. Also, to be able to book me to come out to be a speaker or facilitate a workshop for your school or organization. Also, make sure you guys go to ebooks by ejames.com in order to check out our ebooks. Again, we're giving away the Forgiving Me ebook, the 4-step guide to self-forgiveness, absolutely free. But when you go there to get your free copy of that ebook, do us a favor, purchase one of our other ebooks that we have available. Again, we have the Core 4, which is the 4 core values that every daughter should get from her father, as well as From Males to Men, which is a male mentoring book for young men. Again, that's ebooks by ejames.com. Make sure you guys go and check us out there. Also, our inspirational t-shirt line is deal2healtees.com. That's deal, the number 2, healtees.com. Put some inspiration in your situation. Wear an inspirational tee and be inspired all day. Not only do we have inspirational tees, but we also have podcast merch, which is our t-shirts with our podcast logos on it, including the Girl Dad Discussions podcast and the Deal to Heal with E. James podcast. And those shirts are available at our inspirational t-shirt line, deal, the number 2, healtees.com, deal2healtees.com. And last but not least, over the last couple of years, I've been blessed to be a part of an organization called the Forgiveness Mission. And what we do, we have free virtual workshops every other month discussing the topic of forgiveness. We talk about forgiveness of self, forgiveness of others, forgiveness of the world, just everything around the topic of forgiveness. We mentioned a little bit about forgiveness in today's podcast, being able to forgive our parents, who may have not been as active in our lives as we wanted them to. But again, we address all kinds of things, all dealing with the topic of forgiveness. It's absolutely free. You can go to forgivenessmission.com in order to sign up for our free virtual workshops. Whenever you're listening to this, either one just ended or there's one coming up. Again, that's forgivenessmission.com. Or you can go to Eventbrite and look up Forgiveness Workshop, sponsored by the Forgiveness Mission, in order to sign up for our next free virtual workshop. Prince Marcel, I want to say thank you once again for coming on the podcast and enlightening us with your story and your expertise. I want you to have the last word, so the floor is yours.
So you can follow me and find me pretty much anywhere and everywhere under Prince Marcel. Instagram specifically might be _ Prince Marcel. I have a Facebook page. It's actually called Prince Marcel. Fan base. Everybody go follow me on fan base. Listen to me. Fan base. Prince Marcel. And when it comes to my last message to y'all, for real, don't throw away your money that can really be used to change your life financially, using it as the catalyst or coping mechanisms. Don't throw your money into these substance abuses, whether it's alcohol, whether it's anything harder or looser, right? Loose squares, Newports, no, I'm serious, Newports and everything, but I'm serious though when it comes to that, because there's better uses for your money, and it can really, change the trajectory of your life. And do the best to try to teach your family, take people with you, and heal that way. Don't heal through alcohol. Don't heal through substance abuse. You know what I'm saying? Don't heal through strip clubs, temptations, none of that. Um, try to heal with positivity to deal with the things that's going on in your life, and then maybe you can forgive those who you didn't think you could before.
All right, we can't end it no better than that. To my listeners, thank you guys once again for tuning in to the Deal to Heal with E. James podcast, where our mission is to help people to deal, heal, and fulfill, to deal with your problems, to heal from the pain, and to fulfill your purpose. Until next time, you guys be blessed. Thanks for listening to the Deal to Heal with E. James podcast. Remember to listen, like, subscribe, and share. This episode has been brought to you by Deal to Heal Teas. Put some inspiration in your situation. Wear an inspirational tea and be inspired all day. Let's go to dealtohealteas.myshopify.com. Remember, our mission is to help you to deal, heal, and fulfill. Deal with your problem, heal from the pain, and fulfill your purpose.